crossover fatigue. This term, which was uttered half-jokingly during a recent staff meeting discussing one of the many crossover comparison tests we were attempting to execute, describes consumers who might be overwhelmed and perhaps underwhelmed by the countless crossovers available today. Our recommended remedy? Wagons. Wagons such as the 2017 Volvo V60, which is just as practical and luxurious as its more popular crossover sibling, the XC60. But unlike the XC60, the V60 is a tad more special, because it can be had in a high-performance variant from Volvo's Polestar division. The 2017 Volvo V60 Polestar and its sedan counterpart, the S60 Polestar, received some major changes under the hood for this model year. Replacing the transverse 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six's Volvo's Drive E 2.0-liter i4 that is both supercharged and turbocharged. The new engine churns out 362 HP and 347 lb-ft of torque versus 345 horsepower and 369 lb-ft before. Also significant is the gearbox routing that power to all 4 wheels and 8-speed automatic, which does away with the somewhat lazy 6-speed. Acceleration feels